Hey y'all, it's Sheree. What's up? In this video, I'm going to be doing something a bit different. I don't think you've really seen me do it on my channel, and if you have, it has been a long time. Today I'll be using a clay mask, which is really different from my DIY clay mask that you have seen on my channel, because that was more of a conditioning mask with clay, while these are pure detox masks. These are from Soultanicals. Soultanicals is one of my favorite products. I've talked about Soultanicals so many times on my channel, so I am going to go in with these. This is their Master Hair Cleanse Curl Detox, which is a permanent product in their line. This is a seasonal item that comes out for the fall. This is their Pumpkin Kaolin Healing Locks Deep Clean Curl Detox. And I'm also going to do something a bit different. I have been kind of switching up my routine, where I go in with rice water on my scalp and a little bit on my strands as the liquid. You know, people spray their hair down with water. Y'all know I'm bougie, and we about to grow this hair to booty crack length. So I usually use rice water as my liquid to kind of wet my hair down. But we're gonna do something a bit different today. We're gonna go in with, also from Soultanicals, this is their Sprout Follicular Rice Tonic. This is my third bottle. So y'all know I make my own rice water. I have several videos on rice water. I will link my playlist right here, as well as the link to my new DIY aloe and rice water spray. But I know a lot of people don't like DIYing, and this is the only rice water that I stand by. I have used it as a leave-in, and I've used it as a treatment. It works any number of ways. This is amazing. I know other companies have rice water. I know y'all probably tell me down below. This is the only thing I stand by, and I have no interest in trying anything else unless they send it to me in PR. I'm buying nothing. This is what my hair is looking like. Even though I did not retwist last night, I could literally still wear my hair out. But this is actually day 9 of my hair. I've done several styles since then, and usually I wash my hair every 5 to 7 days or so. So pushing it to 9 days is a bit much for me. So it's time, and it smells like it's time. The first step is to go in with the rice water. But these sprays, these type of sprays are very carpal tunnel inducing, so I'm not gonna do that to me. I know self-hate is a drug, but not today. So we're just going to pour it into a spray bottle just to make it easier. I like a trigger versus those sprays. They truly stress me out. But let me concentrate. Shh.
I'm having boring. Steve, shh. Not while I'm boring.
How long is this gonna? Shh. Not while he's pouring.
So we got the rice water. All I'm going to do is spritz at the root. Ooh, it's cold. Ooh, it's dripping. Spritz at the root, spritz at the end. And yeah. Squeeze it into my hair. All the purple is going. So that's what we have so far. Now we're gonna go in with the curl detox. It's much looser than I thought, which happens with natural hair products. Sometimes it's a bit thicker, sometimes it's a bit looser, but it's not water. If you know that reference, you know. So this is what it looks like. Very nice and creamy. Very herbally. Smells like straight herbs. I feel like you don't need a lot because of the texture. It was much thicker the first time I bought it. So I don't know if this is the new consistency or I just got a looser batch. But I can detangle with a clay. Goodbye AZTEC Indian Healing Clay. I like this. I do. And that's that one section. I make sure I get it on my scalp just to give my scalp a nice detox, spreading the love around. And that's it, y'all. I'm just going to continue this process throughout my head on this one side. Okay, guys, I am done with this one side. I am loving this. I am truly loving it. I did use more than half of the container. So had I used it on my entire head, I would have used the entire jar and maybe even needed a bit more. But again, like y'all know, my hair is down my back. I almost have waist length hair. If your hair is shorter than mine, or if your hair is not as thick as mine, you probably won't need that much. Had I not used the spray, I would have probably used a whole jar on one side. Thankfully, I did spray it down, so I was able to use less of it. But if I did my normal method of going in on dry hair, this did not stand a chance. But so far, I'm loving it, honestly. I'm stoked. I definitely like this more than AZTEC Healing Clay. I don't really like AZTEC Healing Clay. I prefer Rasul or my sodium bentonite clay. So I just pinned it up so we can move on to the next section. But my hair feels amazingly soft. I'm loving it. I really am loving it. Now we're gonna move on to the pumpkin one. The ingredients are different, so you are getting a different type of product. I know people are going to ask, but I will list the ingredients down below for you just to make it a bit easier for you to compare. So again, I'm gonna go in with my rice water. Cold. Get it at the root because hair grows from the root. But I also like to get it on my strands because it strengthens and conditions my hair at the same damn time. Love rice water. Y'all know I stand for rice water. Now for this, it's not much thicker, but it is a bit thicker. Sorry for you to see. I'm feeling bits in it, while I didn't feel bits in the other one. A little bit more. This one is definitely thicker. It's definitely weighing my hair down more. Okay. Once I add more, it feels better. At first, when I was trying to be light-handed with it, I didn't like it. But now it feels good. But I'm definitely still preferring the Master Cleanse more. But it's good. Anyway, so we're just going... Come on, Len. Anyway, we're just going to keep applying. I'm done applying the pumpkin killing. I did use approximately the same amount. Had I used it on my entire head, I may or may not have used the entire thing. So again, I have a lot of hair. This side feels a lot more cleansing than the Master Cleanse does. But only time will tell. It just will take some time for me to know for sure. So now I'm going to just let these sit. It does say to apply heat for 30 to 60 minutes. So I am going to listen to that. Are you surprised? So I am going to do that, and the next time you see me, I will be rinsing it out in the shower. Now it's time to rinse the products out. I did sit under my golden hot for 60 minutes, allowed my hair to cool off a little bit, and literally I went in and washed it out. I'm gonna be honest with y'all, after rinsing out the clays and sitting under my heat, they feel the exact same. My hair is detoxed on both sides. all the purple is gone. My scalp feels so clean, my hair feels so clean, but it also feels soft. This can be a one product wash day. It feels so amazing. Even though I went in with this as a pre-poo detox situation, my hair feels clean. I can literally go in to deep conditioning and styling. That's how good my hair feels. I am gonna go in with a co-wash because y'all know I love a second cleanse moment, but I don't need it. I'm just extra. If you do want to see what I end up using for my wash day, definitely check out my previous video where I did my entire washing on camera for y'all with my girls. So definitely check that out. Definitely, I give these 2 thumbs up. I do prefer the Master Hair Cleanse only because it applies better. Application means a lot for me. It really does come down to application and how my hair feels afterwards. So I would definitely give it to the Master Cleanse. They're both bomb. They both feel the exact same in the end, but just based on the application, I will go with the Master Cleanse. If you're not into DIYing, I would definitely recommend the Master Cleanse. If you have a lot of hair, you are going to go through it. That's just the nature of clay. But if you have the coins and if you get it on sale, Soultanicals has 50% off all the time. Definitely worth picking up. I already love the rice water. I've already raved about the rice water previously on my channel. I do go through the full 8 ounces in one use for a treatment. But again, I have a lot of hair and I'm heavy-handed. That may not be economical for you, but for me, I like it. I like that it's quick and easy. It has great ingredients. No complaints from me. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Peace. Bye, y'all.